Hi, Eileen Veilleux The Fam here. Welcome to another installment in our Easy Anti-Anxiety and Stress DIY series. And in this installment, we are going to be making a homemade sugar scrub. Now, the ingredients you're going to need to make the sugar scrub is 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of olive oil or coconut oil, of course, your essential oils, preferably lavender, chamomile, geranium, tea tree, or peppermint, and 1 small wide mouth glass mason jar, which you can see I have it. Now, for your essential oils, if you have a dropper, that's best to use. If you don't have a dropper, use measuring spoons or a measuring cup. And basically that's it. And of course the bowl to put the mixture in before you put it in the glass jar. Okay, so now we're going to go and measure out our ingredients. We're going to measure out 1 cup of granulated sugar. So I have a 1/4 cup here, so I'm going to have to do this 4 times. So here we go. Whoops, I kind of overflowed. That you're not supposed to do. There's 2. There's 3. And there's 4. So that's the sugar. So now that we're done with the sugar, we're going to put this aside so I can show you the rest of the stuff. Put that over there. Okay, now we're going to need a half a cup of olive oil or coconut oil, which here's my coconut oil. So being 1/4 cup, that means I'm going to need 2 of these to equal a half. Let me just take the top off here. Hold on 1 second. As we take the top off so we can measure. There we go. Throw that away. Put this cover back on. Make sure it's tight. And we're going to mix 2 of these. There's 1. There's 2. So now we have that mix. We're going to take that, put that aside, and we're going to go to the next step, which is the essential oil. Now for the essential oil, you're probably going to use 10 to 15 drops. I'm going to use the lavender because it's easy. Now the tea tree and the peppermint, if you're doing it for acne, you can use that. But I'm just doing a facial scrub for like a shower. So we're going to go with the lavender, which is right here. I'm going to open it up. Take that out of it. Pull that up. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 drops. Put the rest in my lavender bottle here. And as you can see, even these, little bottles here of the essential oils last quite a while. You can do a lot of different things with it. So now I'm going to put the lavender away. And then we're going to mix it and put it in a mason jar. And there you have your scrub. Okay. So now we're going to set that aside. And I'm going to grab something to mix it with, which I have a spoon right here. And we're just going to mix it up like this. So you can see it being mixed, what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to open my mason jar and we're going to put it in. I'm just going to spoon it in the mason jar like so. Put this where you can see it. And as I said, when you do these, just remember, I am going to be going through and doing a mystery box giveaway. And you don't know what I'm going to have in it. I could have any one of these things that I taught you, plus some other things in there. It's not going to cost you anything to get this mystery box. When I do give it away, the only thing is to be in the chat, and I will pick somebody randomly out of the chat for the mystery box with my wheel decide, and I will mail out your mystery box. Now, the reason why I made two is because I use smaller jars. So that's why I made two of them. Okay, so now everything's done. We put all that aside so we can wash it. And like I said, there is now, make sure you label it. Now, before I forget, now that you know, to use it, you only need to use 1 tablespoon in the shower or the tub. And you scrub your skin with the mixture and rinse it well. It will leave your skin feeling like silk. And you can say goodbye to dry skin. So there you have it. That is how we make a homemade sugar scrub. Simple, just coconut oil, sugar, essential oils, and basically that's it, plus a mason jar so you can seal it tight. And there you have everything you need to make a simple homemade sugar scrub that is good for your skin. I hope you enjoy these series. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about these series. And if there's something special that you would like me to do, don't be afraid to ask, and I'd love to do it. Remember to always see with your heart and not your eyes, because we can only see with our heart. Our eyes are very deceiving. It's like when you buy peanuts. You can't tell if the peanut is bad just by looking at the shell. You have to crack the shell open to see if you have a rotten peanut inside. Well, people are the same way. This is the shell. You cannot tell if what a person is like just by looking at the shell. You have to look deep into their heart. And the only way you can do that is through your heart. So remember, I love each and every one of you because you all matter. Bye.